Today I'm reviewing HomeExchange, a platform that allows users to swap homes instead of booking traditional accommodations. When you first land on the site, the interface feels clean and easy to navigate. You create an account, build a profile with photos and details of your home, and then begin earning guest points either by hosting someone or by paying a membership fee. The annual membership currently costs around $220, which grants you unlimited exchanges for a year. One important thing to know is that the platform operates primarily on trust, meaning communication, clear house rules, and mutual respect are key to a good experience. Unlike Airbnb, there's no real-time customer support. Most issues are resolved through private messaging with the other party, which can be frustrating during a trip. Finding an exchange is straightforward. You search for a location, browse homes available, and send a request. The hosts can approve, decline, or suggest alternate dates. What I liked is that most listings provide very detailed house manuals, neighborhood guides, and even personal recommendations, which really gives a local experience. However, the success rate of finding a match can vary depending on how flexible your travel plans are. The photos on listings are generally good, but there's no platform-wide verification for listings, so what you see isn't always what you get. I've had some amazing stays, but also encountered places that were not quite as clean or modern as the photos suggested. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One unique aspect of HomeExchange is the emphasis on reciprocity. It's not always a direct swap. You can travel using guest points and someone else might use your home at another time, which adds flexibility, but can also complicate planning. The platform seems to work best for families or individuals with flexible dates and a willingness to host others in return. Another downside is that disputes or complaints are often resolved slowly, and the guarantee offered by the site, which promises alternative housing if a host cancels, isn't always honored quickly. In peak seasons, finding a replacement through the platform can be very difficult. Despite its flaws, the community around HomeExchange is strong. Many users have done dozens of exchanges and leave detailed reviews, which helps build trust. If you're a frequent traveler, the $220 membership can easily pay for itself after just 1 or 2 trips, especially when compared to hotel or Airbnb costs. Overall, HomeExchange is not for everyone. If you value hotel-like service and instant booking, this might not be your thing. But if you're open to sharing your space, enjoy cultural exchange, and want to save serious money while traveling, it's absolutely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.